Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can translate WooCommerce to your language. So let's get right into it. I am using official WooCommerce documentation. The reason being, I cannot afford the business plan on WordPress, so I do not have access to WooCommerce at the moment. However, I do hope you guys don't mind and that you guys will enjoy. Just the same, these steps are very well thought out, very well written and concise, so you should have no problem. Now, what you do need to do is set up WordPress in your language if you want, and from the admin you need to go into settings in general. You need to change the site language setting to the preferred language, scroll down and click Save Changes, and this will immediately change the navigation menu as well. Then go to the dashboard and updates and click Update Translations, and that should be pretty much it. Now to translate WooCommerce, just go to the WooCommerce translation project and find your language. Click the title to enter the language's subsection, and then click the heading in the set/sub project column to view and download a stable or latest release for your language. Then just scroll to the bottom of that page for export options and export as a machine object message catalog file for use on your site, and then just rename this to WooCommerce-yourlanguage.mo. Great Britain should be EN_GB capital, or Africans should be AF. Then you just need to upload the file to your site's WP content languages plugins folder, and once uploaded, this translation will be able to be used, and that is pretty much all you need to do. I really hope you guys enjoyed, despite me not being able to show you guys, but it is what it is, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.